Welcome back. Today on Vintage Steel Garage we're going to show you how to open the back of your Porsche Boxster to expose the engine. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to expose your engine so you can get to it for top end maintenance. First thing is you've got to ask yourself why you want to get in there. There's not a lot you can do in there really. It's not like a normal car where you open your bonnet and you probably check your coolant, your screen wash and your engine oil. Your engine oil and your coolant you get check under the boot, and the screen wash you check under the bonnet. So really there's no need to get in here on a regular basis. I've had this car 2 years and I opened it for the first time 2 months ago, so that gives you an idea. So what I am going to open it up for though, I'm going to show you how easy. It's a bit of a faff. It's not just like pulling a bonnet catch and your bonnet's up. You've got to sort of take a bit of trim off and move a few things around, but it's not too bad. I'm going to do it so I can change the air filter, and as we all know, changing the air filter will give it probably an extra 200 brake horsepower, and I'm also going to chop the power steering up. Now the first thing I'd do, because I'm learning from experience, take your keys out of your pocket, because you'll end up leaning over it and scratching it. So let me show you how we open it. There's a few videos on YouTube we're doing it, but it's sort of close-up details, and I want to show it real time that it isn't such a faff as what you think. So I just dropped the keys on my other car there and scratched that one instead. The roof, so you just get this deck up as much as you can, and that's all you need to do. So let me show you that one. Right, so we've got this open. So what you need to do now is just a couple of clips either side. The material, you drop those down. There's then some items on here that you need to pull off. Like little ball hoops, so they just pull off. That then pops up out the way. Now mine, you can just see here, it's got this extra box. You can't see with me like that, can you? It's got this extra box on. They don't all have this, and this is just like a little box that you put a few extra accessories in. You take that off. Ball spot cap. Next you need to take this carpet off. These are just quarter turns. 2 of them. So that's the carpet trim out. And the last thing that you can see here, that is actually the tin cover for the engine. And again, no tools required. Just 4 little cam locks to turn. Actually there's 5 lying. So there we go. Simple as that, it's not bad. This is my engine. What we're going to do, I'm going to check my power steering, fluid which is here, I need to change my air filter which is there. In fact, what I'll do, I'll move my camera around so you've got a better look. Okay, so I think you're in a better location so you can see what's going on. Porsche engine. Right, so what we're going to do, change the air filter. The air filter's kept in here, it's just two simple clips and a cartridge system to pull out. So there we go. Filter housing out. Take the old filter out of the housing. Just compare it. So here's the old filter here. A little bit of dust in it. A little bit of dirt down there. Nothing too bad. Actually, you can see there's a bit of a hue to it, and that's probably the dirt. And if you compare it with the new one, so that's a new filter. Old filter, new filter. You can see there's a difference. Nice and clean. Dirty. Rubbish. New one. Now what I like to do is get a marker pen and put the date on here so I know when I've changed it. So April 19, new filter. 81,000 miles. There we go. So I'm going to put that into the frame. Put that back in. Just got to make sure you get it seated nice. In there, so that's back in. Only goes one way in. That didn't feel right. Try again. Bit of gentle massage to get it in. Get it up, fucker. Like I said, goes in simple. Whew. It's gonna fight me. Oh, why is it not going in? Okay, so we'll oh, I didn't realise you guys weren't looking what I was doing. Right. So, new filter in the housing. This just then slots in. And that's it. Simple as that. So the next thing I'm going to do is check the power steering fluid, which is under here. So prevent scratching your car, take your best bed sheets, place them on the car. Now, it doesn't take much, it's only a couple of fluid ounces in here, but it's got a hot mark and a cold mark. Obviously this engine's cold at the moment, and actually that's fine. So we've done all the service items up here we can. Next thing we want to do is put the engine cover back on. Oh, it's got the date on there, 31st of March 2000. So this car's actually 19 years old now. Right, so they just slot on. There's 5 catches here to push down. I suppose the only faff with this is walking from one side to the other. Like I say, it's a simple job. I think I've just got my 2 left arms today. I'm just struggling to locate that down. Right, so 5 tabs to turn. Lock in. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the carpet trim to go over. I think instead of this, which is just like some sort of a little cubby hole, some of them actually have speakers, which is probably more useful than this because you can't really get anything in it. Okay, so that's back in. Don't forget the balding man cap. And go inside. Pull the trim down. That clips back in. 2 clips here. And the other 2 straps go on the side of the ball socket. That's that one. So that's it done. Didn't take too long. Changed the air filter. Showed you how to get into the engine, which is the main thing. Okay, it takes longer than a modern car, where well, normal car should we say, where you just pop the bonnet and get in. However, you're not going in there very often. Change the air filter, of course. That's added maybe 200 brake horsepower easily. So I need to now go on a test ride and see how much better it performs. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, see you soon.